Brad Williams, Excel Prime, build a basic monthly Gantt chart. We have a layout here. We have dates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a start and end, so there should be 18 days. We have a 17-day project. Here, our anatomy, and this is conditional formatting. We're going to color these boxes based on our dates. Build a basic monthly Gantt chart. You can add a Gantt chart using conditional formatting and formula based on the AND function. Here's how it works. And we have D4. What's D4? That is up here in the heading. These are pretend calendar dates. Greater than equal to B5, our start date. D4 less than C5, our end date. If it's true, color. If not, don't color. The challenging part of this framework is calendar header row 4, which consists of a set of valid dates formatted using the custom number format. D, with a static date in D4, you can populate the calendar using D4 plus 1. This makes it easy to create a conditional formatting rule that compares the column-specific date to the dates in column B and C. The formula is set up using the AND function with two conditions. The first condition tests whether the column date is greater than or equal to the start date, D4, greater than or equal to B5. The second condition tests whether the column date is less than or equal to the end date, D4, less than or equal to C5. When both conditions are met, the formula returns true, forcing the calendar grid to be filled with, in this case, yellow. Both conditions require mixed references. That's the critical part here. To ensure that the references are updated correctly when conditional formatting is applied to a calendar grid, the conditional formatting. You see the D4, B5. Notice how it's formatted. We have mixed references here. Keep that in mind. If you screw this up, your deal will blow up. Conditional formatting, you know how to do that. Insert this. See if it works out. If not, go back and test it until you have it mirrored like this. So it looks like this. If your system blows up, and again, as I continue to harp on, if your formatting is screwed up, your model, along with any worksheets that may be open or workbooks, might blow up. And when Excel blows up, it's going to screw up everything in the background. When you're doing conditional formatting, my suggestion, and this is just purely from experience, is work with 1 or 2 worksheets at a time. And I've had this happen, I've had 10 worksheets open. And I was working on a conditional format, and I've been working on the other 9 worksheets, and I didn't hit Control S. And I was 19 minutes into the formatting. That means there was 19 minutes of data that was lost. It was spread out radically over 9 sheets. That's all I'm going to say. Be careful. If your mixed references are screwed up, your conditional formatting will blow up on you. And when it does, don't point your finger at me. I'm only the messenger. I told you ahead of time, Control S, Control S, Control S. That means save, and save often. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.